Today in this video we're looking at how to cancel subscriptions on an iPhone. Now it's easy to do, it's just knowing where exactly to go within your iPhone settings to cancel your subscriptions. So let's jump into the detail right now and look at how to cancel subscriptions on iPhone. So if you get your phone and go to settings as highlighted here in red, and when you're in settings you've got a whole host of options. So if you actually go to the top of the screen as highlighted, which is your Apple account, if you click on that, another screen will come up called Apple account, as you can see here. Now if you go down the screen towards subscriptions as highlighted and click on that, and it will take you into a list of subscriptions, as you can see here, both active subscriptions and inactive subscriptions. So we're going to cancel our CoinScan app. So if you click on that and it takes you into the subscription, there's various options in here. So if you want to cancel your subscription, click on cancel as highlighted here. It will then take you to another screen which says confirm cancellation, and if you cancel a subscription your service will end on the 18th of May. So it's quite clear and transparent there, and you've got two options at the bottom to cancel or keep subscription. We're going to select cancel subscription. So if you click on that, and the two options there will go temporarily grey, and then it will take you back to another screen which says you have cancelled your subscription and when it ends. If you want to see more useful iPhone tips and tricks videos, your next video is appearing on screen now. But many thanks for watching today. We'll see you on the next video.